Hello everyone, welcome to Really Fun Toys. Today I am reading Dr. Seuss' book of wonderful noises. Mr. Brown can move. Can you? Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. He can go like a cow. He can go moo moo. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? He can go like a bee. Mr. Brown can buzz. How about you? Can you go buzz buzz? He can go like a cork. Pop, 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 pop. He can go like horse feet. Clap, clap, clap. He can go eek, eek like a squeaky shoe. He can go like a rooster. Cock a doodle doo. He can go like a owl. Hoo, 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 hoo. Eek, 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 eek. Cock a doodle doo. Hoo, 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 hoo. How about you? He can go like the rain. He can go like the rain. Dibble, 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 dop. Dibble, 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 dibble. Dop, dop, dop. He can go like a train. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo, buzz, buzz, pop, pop, pop. Eek, eek, hoo, hoo. Clap, clap, clap. Dibble, dibble, dop, dop. Cock a doodle doo. Mr. Brown can whisper, whisper, very soft, very high, like the soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Maybe you can too. I think you ought to try. He can go like a horn, blurp, 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 like a big cat drinking slurp, slurp, slurp. He can go like a clock. He can tick. He can talk. He can go like a hand on a door. Knock, knock. Tick tock, tick tock. Knock, knock, knock. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Blurp, blurp. Slurp, slurp. Cock a doodle doo. Knock, knock, knock. And who, who. He can even sizzle, sizzle. He can do that too, like an egg in a frying pan. How about you? Mr. Brown is smart as they come. He can do a hippopotamus chewing gum. Grump, 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 grump. Mr. Brown is so smart he can even do this. He can even make a noise like a goldfish kiss. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown is a wonder. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown makes thunder. He makes lightning splat, splat, splat. And it's very, very hard to make a noise like that. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Moo, moo, buzz, buzz, pop, 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 eek, eek, hoo, hoo, clap, 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 dibble, dibble, dap, dap, cock-a-doodle doo, grum, 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 choo, 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 boom, boom, splat, splat, tick, tick, tock, sizzle, sizzle, blurp, blurp, knock, 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 a slurp and a whisper and a fish kiss too. Mr. Brown can do it. How about you? The end. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.